Simple steps to help you better understand make money online. What do you want to do online to make money? Would you like to sell your wares? Do you have skills you could contract out online? Do you have a funny bone which needs to be shared through viral videos? Consider the tips below as you decide which niche to pursue. Be wary of scams. Although there may be a lot of opportunities on how to make money online, some may not be good. Look for reviews of potential plans before making any agreements. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. If you are a good writer, there are many opportunities for you online when it comes to making extra money. For example, check out video writing sites where you can create content to be used for search engine optimization. Many pay more than a few cents per word, making it worth your while. Complete surveys for money. There are many different surveys you can take. Completing surveys allows you to generate a nice income stream. But, there are times when survey work pays very little. However, they're pretty easy to do when you're bored and they can add up. Many people find that they can make extra cash by completing surveys. There are many survey sites online that will pay you for your opinions. All you need is a valid email address. These sites offer checks, gift cards and PayPal payments. Be truthful when you fill out your information so you can qualify for the surveys they send you. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Beware sites where you have to make a bid to complete someone's work. These sites devalue you based on the fact that the lowest bid most frequently wins. There will be some people hiring on these sites who are decent, of course, but the bulk just want their work done cheaply. Publish an ebook. Many people are getting involved in self-publishing now. This is great for making money whether you're an industry expert or an author. There are several online publishing platforms to choose from, and some have around a 70% commission rate. If you like to make things, consider selling your items on Etsy. This is a crafts marketplace growing in popularity around the internet. Users from around the world can browse over items made by individual craftsmakers looking to sell and ship their wares to anyone interested. Regardless of your own self-criticism or self-confidence, make anything you can and try to sell it to see if it is a hit or not. Now that you know so much about online money-making opportunities, you should be ready to pursue at least one avenue of income. If you can get started today, you'll be able to start making money in short order. Use these tips and get out into the marketplace right away. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, eBooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, You can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.